Hi, I'm Chad with GT French. This is another episode of Between Two Dispensers. I'm here with Jim from Charlotte, and we're talking about some new and innovative hand hygiene products. Jim, welcome, and tell us a little bit about what you have.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the opportunity. So yes, what we have here today is obviously since COVID, we've had a lot of learnings. That's in the rearview mirror now, but hand hygiene is still very critical. We can't lower our guard at all. What we found during those times is the products just weren't as good and as safe as what you need to do. So everybody understands organics. We're the only ones in the industry to offer a USDA certified organic foaming hand soap, quality tier 1 brand that is proven safer for human wellness and the environment, right? You know, most people, Chad, as you know, think organics are obviously 20, 30, 40, 50% more. We've taken this and we are actually the same price or a lower price than any tier 1 brand in the world. So not only can we give you the right product, made in Canada, we blow mold our own cartridges as well in-house. We used to do this out of country, overseas. This is done right in our manufacturing facility now. Products made there, not only USDA organic certified soap, but a #1 grade alcohol hand sanitizer. No charge dispensers ready to go. Best sustainable footprint in the industry. We'd love to talk to you about it.
Wow, so Charlotte products, made in Canada, organic, hand hygiene, sold through GT French from Charlotte Products. Thanks for watching.